Good morning, y'all. It's Privateer Prepper coming to you. This is a VR to Wayne over at Westwind Survival on the Prep Food Challenge. One of the things I had mentioned to him, or one of the guys, I can't remember right now. I haven't had any yet, but haven't had any caffeine yet. But for energy drinks, these little packets here, they're come on, 4C. They're little powdered energy drink packets. You get 18 of them in a box for just under $4. But this is going to be my caffeine supply for the morning from eating my preps, because I eat, I prep what I eat. That's my supply for caffeine for the morning. This here is actually two packets of it's 2 packets of oatmeal and a serving of protein powder, because protein powder is one of the things that I do prep as well. I usually don't show it too much, but big reason is right now I'm waiting on my desiccant packs to come in. Or not desiccant, the O2 absorbers. I'm waiting for those to come in. And but yeah, when I got two packets of oatmeal, instant oatmeal. This is for breakfast. Some hot water there, and some protein powder mixed in with it. Yeah, give me a minute. I'm gonna pause this, and it's just mixing hot water and cold water with, for that. And these two, that's a 1 liter. When you're making it, one of these is good for 16.9 or 16 point whatever, the little water bottles that you get, half a liter bottle. This is a 1 liter container, so 2 of these are perfect for that. Okay, y'all. Sorry about that. I had to pause while I mixed everything up. Unfortunately, this came out a little more soupy than I expected. Added a bit too much water, but the energy drink packets went in here well. And the good thing about the containers, when you put it in there, you can mix it pretty easy. Just put the lid on it, shake it up. But this is, again, VR to Wayne over there at Westwind Survival. Privateer Prepper. Y'all have a blessed day.